Recently I replaced this engine with a legacy engine, and I've been having a random misfire over 5,000, well, right at 5,000 RPM. And I've tried all kinds of things, injectors and all sorts of stuff. But I think I may have figured out the issue. This old tone wheel that I had to reuse, these are the nice notches. These are the notches that the previous guy dinged up. And maybe that's not a big deal, you say, but like they're even kind of out of place here or dinged out of shape. And I think at a high RPM, that crank sensor might not be able to read that properly. These are what the notches are supposed to be like on the tone wheel. And these are the ones that are dinged up, and that one's even out of place a bit. So we're gonna replace it, and I think that's gonna take care of my 5,000 RPM misfire. Stand by. Tomorrow we'll turn the key and see what happens. Okay, let's see if we can send a light at 5,000.